Hello and welcome to 2023 Cybersecurity Awareness Month. That's right, it's October already. And we have got a great free resource kit just for you. Oh, hold on. What's this? What on earth was this doing out here? Well, it doesn't matter. The important thing is it's in safe hands, and now I can tell you what's inside this amazing resource kit. In this kit, we've got a monthly Cybersecurity Awareness Month guide. We also have a weekly planner, which is really useful for planning stuff. Videos include security culture and you, pre-texting. Interactive training modules cover things like passwords, ransomware, staying secure online, and the classic danger zone. Nothing to do with Kenny Loggins. For a bit of spooky fun, there are also some cyber monster cards and posters, including the likes of Frankenfisher, Count Hackula, Ransom Wolf, and others. There are new security tips and newsletters, a boatload of security docs and awareness tips. With so much free goodness packed into this one kit, what are you waiting for? Go download it today. And I should put this somewhere safe until then.